Here's some sample data of temperature versus volume of sodium thiosulfate. Suppose I want to create a new column of temperature in degrees Kelvin. I type a heading for the column, temperature in Kelvin, and then in the first cell I enter a formula for calculating the new temperature. I type an equal sign to tell Excel that I'm about to enter a formula. And in this case I want to take the number 35, so I click on that cell, and I'm going to add 273 to it. So I type plus 273.15. When I hit enter, the actual value appears in the cell. If I click on the cell, I can always look up the formula bar and see what formula was actually entered for that cell. If I want to copy this formula down the entire column, then I put my cursor on the lower right hand corner. It turns into a little black crosshair, and I click and I drag, and when I get to the bottom I let go of the mouse, and now the formula is copied down the entire column. If I click on any one of these cells, I can look up at the formula bar and I can see what formula is being entered for that cell. After doing this, you may need to fix the sig figs in this column. In order to change the number of sig figs, there are little buttons up at the top by the number section where I can press this and add more sig figs to my number, or I can press the other button and I can remove sig figs from my number. In this case I was doing addition, so the way the numbers are displayed right now is the correct number of sig figs. The last thing I need to do is, if this is going to be a graded Excel spreadsheet, I need to take the formula that I was copying down this column and I need to somehow display it on my spreadsheet so that my teacher can grade it. What I usually do is I go up to the first cell where the formula was entered. I highlight everything except the equal sign, and on a PC you can hit Control-C to copy. Then I hit enter and I go down to some blank area and I hit Control-V to paste. Then you can go up to the formula bar and you can add in anything else you want here. You can say that this was the formula in cell, and the cell here was C3. And I'll type an equal sign so that my teacher knows what the formula was.